morning everyone. It's Tuesday the 18th of September and we're staying at Bush Caravan site, which is quite a nice site but it's not very busy. So we're having a little bit of electric, aren't we, Ad, so that we can charge everything. I've done my hair. I know everyone will find that very hard to believe. The price, it was £22, so it was quite expensive, but that included the electricity and showers, so it was a bit better than the first campsite we stayed at, which was £24, and then you had to pay for showers, which was a bit ridiculous. But her and her Ad are probably going to the distillery today. Yeah. Bushmills Distillery, and we probably won't buy anything. Her Ad's going to buy a couple of bottles.
But why didn't we stay at the Bushmill campsite?
Well, the Bushmill caravan site, is it? Yeah. Yes, they wanted a minimum of 2 nights, didn't they? And theirs was like £25 a night. Yeah. So we thought, well, we only want to stay 1 night, so we stay here. And it's very nice, actually. The lady's very kind, isn't she? Very
funny.
Friendly. Yes, she was funny. It was like she'd been on the whiskey, wasn't it? Because she was quite hilarious. But it's not very busy here, is it? It's quite quiet. Yeah. And so yeah, we're going to head on, aren't we? And then probably head down south, because we've only got till Saturday, haven't we? To
yeah, we don't know. We've only got a few days.
Yeah, so we might have to speed along. Yeah. But that's it so far, my love.
Yes. So
oh no, there he is. Our Ad has joined us.
Yeah, we're heading to the
I'm not very good
distillery now, and to do some stocking up.
We haven't got any room, Edsy Dane.
Thing is, with the Bushmills bottles, they're square. I don't think they'll fit in our crate.
Yeah.
Anyways, see what happens.
Ta-ta.
And that, everybody, was an introduction, the very first introduction with Zoe Pratt.
That was the only introduction with Zoe. No more.
Give a thumbs up and comments if you want more.
She's not good at this. Ta-ra! So this is a non-filming, non-photograph tour. So unfortunately all we have is the inside of the visitors building and maybe a few shots outside. But take a look at this. So we're in the visitors centre, this is where you pay, and then just up here though, look, you can see where all the whiskey travels around the area. It goes through these pipes here and goes off in various directions. No idea yet where they go. But yeah, look at the size of this one. It's about 1 metre wide, that one, full of whiskey just travelling through the complex. Of course I'm joking. This is one of the many cabinets that you can purchase for your motorhome. So we've been on a tour, very nice. We've been given 2 drinks basically. I've just been drinking the water. Of course.
And what did you get?
I had a lovely cocktail, but I don't actually know what it was.
You
seemed
nice
to think it was ginger.
A bit of ginger, bit of lemon, bit of lemonade. Yeah, very nice. Good but quick, I thought.
Yeah, not the best tour.
Well, it was alright. Mass production and that kind of thing.
Yeah, but shufflers.
Now we're in the bar and we're finished, so we're going to move into the shop and buy Zoe her whiskey.
I'm not a great whiskey fan, am I really? So I'm just here for your...
Well, the way you guzzled that Red Bush just a moment ago.
There's a lot of water in it, darling.
It was like lemonade, orange juice it was. We've made our way onto Dunluce Castle, that's it in the background, And it was just after lunch. We had a lovely fry up in Bushmills. Yeah, the Copper Kettle in Bushmills, very nice. Bushmills town, that is.
Oh dear.
And yes, I think the whiskey's worn off now though.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a wander around here. Well, here we have the entrance to the castle. Big crack in it by the looks of things. What a very tall door. Portrush. We did find a place a bit further along up the road which we thought we might overnight in, but we've been told that there's a yellow weather warning, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is very windy here, and that looks very dark and foreboding, those clouds over there. Anyway, we're in Portrush, and in the middle of town, right near the coast, right near the harbour rather, there is this place. It is a parking spot for motorhomes. Motorhomes only. It even says right, that sign just there says motorhomes only. Only motorhomes beyond this point. It's not free. It's 50p an hour. So I've just bunged in £8. So that means we'll be able to stay here until about 10:20 in the morning. Now that building there, that's the toilet. Very clean. You can empty your cassette there, your toilet cassette, and I think there's a tap on the side to get fresh water. So, right now I am very tired, and we're going to head into town. Well, we're already in town, but looking at the map, there's like 500,000 restaurants over in that direction, in the direction of all that horrible weather. So we are going to head over there, get something to eat, and don't tell Zoe, but I might have a little taste of the whiskey that I bought earlier. Anyway, see you in the morning. Bye bye. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.
Okay.